Today we share a new wing to make sure you eat it. First, pick 2 sweet, lovely potatoes from my tree. Came to deliver skins and cut into strips for rent. After signing it, we put it in the pot and beat it. Add 3 attack bombs and stir twice happily. Then add a spoonful of pure salt, a spoonful of pepper powder, and a spoonful of chicken broth, and use the next person with chopsticks. Then we prepare 2 tomatoes for him to catch. Up with a cross knife and put it into the boiling broth. Boiling water like this, blanched like this, will cover the skin very easily. Then we quickly slice and take a spoon, soy sauce and half a tablespoon of oyster sauce in a sauce bowl. Then add free tap water and add 1 tsp of salt, 1 tsp of chicken stock, and 1 tsp of white sugar. We can stir evenly with chopsticks, then put no. Add oil to onion, ginger, and garlic, put in the oven. Add the right amount of tomatoes to stir the soup inside. Then add the best sauce. Then put a potato chips cake turn on low heat. Let it boil slowly. Add later, make colored potatoes with green glue. Red like and share if you like.